Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to look at the passive voice. Firstly, we must know the difference between the active and the passive sentence. When it is important to know who did the action or the verb, it is the active. But when the person doing the action is unknown or unimportant to know him, and the important thing here is the action or the verb itself, it is the passive. For example, we will take an example for the active sentence. John cleans the room. You have to divide the sentence into three important parts: the subject, the action or the verb, and the object. Now, when you change the sentence from active into passive, you must follow the following steps. The first one, start the passive sentence with the object of the active sentence. Number two, identify the tense of the verb in the active sentence, if it is present simple, past simple, etc. So you must revise all the tenses. Number three, put the main verb in the past participle, and you will find all the irregular verbs in your book. Let's start with the tenses. The first one, the present simple. Present simple formation is the verb plus s or es or ies, or the verb in infinitive. The key words are very important. Usually, sometimes, often, always, every, rarely, scarcely, seldom, never. We will have an example of active sentence. John usually, this is the subject, cleans, the verb, the room is the object. How to change this sentence into passive? You will have the rule. You have to start the new sentence with the object plus am or is or are according to the new subject plus the past participle. So we will start with the object here, the room, is, and the past participle cleaned. And if you want to add by John or by him. The next tense is the past simple. Past simple means the verb plus ed or irregular verb. The key words of the past simple are yesterday, 2 years ago or any period of time plus ago, last plus any period of time, in plus date, in the past. For example, the active sentence is the thief stole the money yesterday. So who can tell me the tense of this verb stole? It is in the past, right? And we have the word yesterday already. So the passive rule, start with the object. We have to put was or were plus past participle. So the object is the money was stolen. The next tense, the present continuous. The key words are at the moment, just now, listen, look, now, right now, currently, at this time. The present continuous formation is am or is or are plus verb ing. The active sentence, the decorator is painting my rooms now. So the passive rule for the present continuous is start with the object, after the object am or is or are plus being plus past participle. My rooms, who can tell me? Yes, very good, are, because the new subject here is plural, so I changed is to are, plus being plus painted the past participle and complete the sentence by the decorator. Next tense, the past continuous. The key words are when, while, as, just as. The formation was or were plus verb plus ing. The decorator was painting my rooms. The passive rule start with the object plus was or were plus being plus past participle. So any continuous tense I have to add being. My rooms were being painted by the decorator or by him. Now with the present perfect, the key words already, yet, just, ever, never, since, for, so far. The present perfect formation, have or has plus past participle. For example, someone has just reported the incidents. The passive rule starts with the object, have or has plus been plus past participle. So the incidents, plural. So what will I do? Yes, I have to change has to have and complete with the rule just been reported by someone. So the incidents have just been reported by someone. And now with the past perfect, the key words of the past perfect are after, before, as soon as, by the time, until, till. And this is the formation. Past perfect formation, had plus past participle. For example, someone had reported the incidents. So the passive rule, object plus had plus been plus past participle. So you notice that all the perfect tenses we have to put been. The incidents had been reported by someone. Now we have a simple exercise about what we had taken before. I want you to correct the verbs and practice using the passive form. A vandal broke the gallery's window last night. Who can answer? I want to correct the verb according to last night here. Very good. So it will be the gallery's window. It is the object. Very good. Was, because we have last night. After was, the past participle from break, broken, and complete the sentence by a vandal last night. Very good. The second one. They already sell all the tickets for the concert. Who can tell me? Yes, very good. I will start with the object, all the text. And here we have already. Yes, very good. Key words of the present perfect. So I will write have already and been sold. Very good. For the concert. Number 3. They read all the letters now. And please focus on now. So who can tell me which tense? Very good. It's a present continuous. So I will start with the object. All the letters. Very good. Present continuous. So I will have to write are plus being plus the past participle from read, read. Very good. And now. The next slide is your home assignment. Try to answer these questions after studying the lesson. Thank you very much. Next videos we will complete the passive tenses and personal and personal passive. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.